Okay, so I mentioned 414 and 404 yesterday, and they've been stalking me lately like a fucking stage 5 goddamn clinger. So true to form, I started asking questions. What's the message? What are you telling me besides, if you total it up, it becomes 8 and 9. But I've been seeing them a lot. So if you've been seeing them too, you're not crazy. It's just your reality is pinging you. Let's start with 404. This morning it caught my attention, and this time when it caught my attention, what popped into my brain was like that internet error message that usually comes up, like 404 page not found type thing. That's what came up into my brain. But energetically, it doesn't mean lost. It means the old version of your life is no longer accessible. 404 is your team saying, yeah, that timeline isn't available anymore. Stop trying to log in to the past. It shows up when you're trying to reopen closed cycles, chasing people you outgrew already, forcing old identities back on, refreshing dead situations like the tab won't load. 404 is not failure. 404 is protection. So what it's really saying is this isn't your door anymore. You already graduated. Move forward. Move on. Nothing's wrong. You're just being rerouted away from what would drain you. And now on to 414. This one is rebuild mode activated. 4 equals foundation. 1 equals new beginning. 4 equals anchor into the physical. So 414 is the energy of new identity online, nervous system catching up. Real world life is rearranging to match your inner truth. This is when you realize I can't live like the old me anymore. Even if I tried, my body won't let me. You're not manifesting fantasies. You're rewriting the architecture of your reality. 414 is the message of build differently this time. No more self-betrayal construction. Boundaries in 3D, not just in your head. Now here's the fun part of 404 and 414 together. That combination basically says access revoked, upgrade installing, scaffold up around your life. Like think of like the buildings that are under construction and they have like all that stuff around them. Don't go back to grab any souvenirs. Old page deleted, new page under construction. You're the developer now. If things feel like, why isn't this working anymore? Why does this door feel dead? Why can't I make myself do the old patterns? That's not depression. That's not laziness. That's reality refusing to let you shrink again. You already unlocked your consciousness out of the 3D construct. Now the world you actually belong to is unlocking around you. Same planet, just new reality. Game on. Your internal and external at 313 on the timer. Hide that. Your internal and external are about to match each other. Think of it like 1, you're in the middle, 414. They're mirroring each other and you're in the middle. And that shoveling out there, 333 when I looked up, I want to say is the Wicked Witch outside shoveling. But for what I shoveled out there. So that means some fuckery's coming up. Spirit always snitches on what the hell she gonna do before it happens. So, that's the fun part of having psychic abilities. Maybe I should talk about how trauma, activates your fucking psychic gifts. If you made it this far, touch all the buttons, show some love, drop me a comment. If a topic pops into your brain, drop it in the comments. On that note, go have a nice Sunday.